Hey parents, welcome to an inspiring recap of the World Yoga Day 2024 celebration at Army Public School. On June 21st, students and teachers gathered to participate in a day of unity and wellness. The morning began with a serene atmosphere as everyone assembled on the school grounds. The significance of yoga was beautifully highlighted by the principal, emphasizing its power to bring balance and harmony to our lives. Yoga is not just about physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that nurtures the mind, body, and soul. For students, it can be a powerful tool to manage stress, improve concentration, and boost overall well-being. As the sun rose higher, the yoga session commenced. Led by experienced instructors, students and teachers moved through a series of asanas or poses with grace and precision. From the calming mountain pose to the invigorating sun salutations, each movement was performed with dedication and enthusiasm. But the highlight of the day was undoubtedly the group meditation session. Sitting in perfect stillness, everyone focused on their breath, fostering a sense of inner peace and unity. The energy was palpable, and for a moment, it felt like time stood still. Beyond the stretches and poses, the event served as a powerful reminder of the importance of mindfulness and self-care. In our fast-paced world, taking a moment to breathe and center ourselves can make all the difference. As the celebration came to a close, there was a sense of calm and rejuvenation in the air. The Army Public School community not only embraced the spirit of World Yoga Day, but also strengthened their bond through shared wellness practices. So parents, encourage your children to continue this journey of mindfulness and health. After all, a healthy mind and body are the true keys to success. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay balanced and stay well.
योगारंभ हो